MyChui recently launched two ozone plasma machines. So what are the differences between them and how should we choose? First of all, their chassis are different in appearance. The PS-22T1 uses a cost-effective lightweight chassis, while the PS-45K1 uses a high-grade metal chassis. Second, the two products have different numbers and functions of handles. The PS-22T1 has only two handles, namely the ozone plasma handle and the plasma pen. While the PS-45K1 combines a two-pole facial RF and an L and the MS handle in addition to these two handles. Ozone plasma handling is mainly used for sterilization and anti-inflammation and can effectively improve acne scars, acne, blackheads, etc. Plasma pen, it is used for wrinkle and scar removal, facelifting, freckle removal, etc. They are equipped with 6 different pen tips that can professionally solve different skin problems. Two-polar facial RF is used for eye and facial tightening and wrinkle removal. EMS and L handle is used to promote blood circulation and facial absorption. Therefore, if you have sufficient budget, it is more appropriate to choose the PS-45K1 with 4 handles. It can meet more skincare needs, and the metal chassis is more textured. But if you want a machine with ozone plasma function on a small budget, then I strongly recommend you to choose PS-22T1. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us.